Hey Sam! Today we're diving into the word
komplett,
Hi Alex. What does
komplett,
mean?
Great question.
komplett,
Generally means complete or full. It's often used to describe something that is whole and not missing anything. The most common meaning you'll encounter is complete.
Are there any tricky parts about it?
Yes, there can be some false friends. For instance, don't confuse
komplett,
with the English word complete in the sense of being perfect. In German,
komplett,
just means that something is all there.
So, how do you use
komplett,
in sentences?
Good point. You can use it with nouns, like
das Set ist komplett,
which means the set is complete. The word
komplett,
is an adjective, so it doesn't change form based on gender, but if you want to use it in a sentence with a noun, you'd say
die komplette Liste,
for the complete list.
What about the plural?
Since
komplett,
is an adjective, it doesn't have a plural form. But when used with nouns, the noun will change according to its own plural rules. For example,
komplette Bücher,
means complete books.
How do you say it in various tenses?
For using
komplett,
in a verb context, let's take the verb,
komplettieren,
which means to complete. In the present tense, you would say
ich komplettere, du kompletterst,
and.
komplettert,
In the past, it's
ich kompletterte,
and in perfect, you would say
ich habe komplettiert.
So, I can say
ich habe das Projekt komplettiert.
for I have completed the project.
exactly. And if you want to give a command, you'd say
Komplettere das.
meaning complete that.
Where does the word
Komplett,
come from?
Komplett. Completus.
Which means filled up or finished. It evolved through Old High German and Middle High German, maintaining a similar meaning throughout the years. Isn't it fascinating how words can travel through time?
Very interesting. I love learning about word origins.
Now let's break down the word.
Komplett.
Sure. How do you do that?
It's not a compound word, so we can't really split it like we would a compound noun. But we can see that the prefix
Kom.
means together, and the root
Plet.
comes from the Latin,
Pletus.
which means filled. So together, it's about being filled together or whole.
That makes sense.
There are some similar words we can explore. For example, there's
komplettieren,
which we just mentioned. Then there's
Komplettmachung,
which means completion.
What about others?
You can also find
Komplettheit,
meaning completeness, and
Komplettierung,
which is the act of completing something. If we look at the prefix, we have words like
komplex,
which means complex, and
Kommission,
which means commission.
I see, all related to completeness in some way.
Now let's practice using
komplett,
in real-life situations. Imagine you're at work and you're discussing a project. You could say,
das Projekt muss komplett sein.
meaning the project must be complete.
Got it. I can say,
Das Projekt ist komplett.
for the project is complete.
Perfect. How about at a restaurant? You might say,
Ich möchte die komplette Speisekarte sehen.
which means I would like to see the complete menu.
Ich möchte die komplette Speisekarte sehen.
Nice.
Great job. Now, if you were talking about a book you read, you could say,
Das Buch war komplett interessant.
meaning the book was completely interesting.
That sounds good.
Now, let's not forget about gender hints. Although
Komplett,
is an adjective if it modifies a noun like,
das komplett,
which means the complete set, it's neuter.
Is there a memory trick for that?
You could picture a complete puzzle, which is often seen in the shape of a square, a neat image associated with completeness. Usage-wise,
komplett,
is generally informal but can be used in formal contexts as well. Some typical phrases include
komplett verrückt,
meaning completely crazy, and
komplett überfordert,
meaning completely overwhelmed.
Any similar sounding words to watch out for?
Yes, you might confuse it with,
kompliziert,
which means complicated. Just remember,
komplett,
is about being whole, while
kompliziert.
is about complexity. Let's do a quick recall check. First question, what does
Komplett,
mean?
It means complete.
Correct. Second question, can you give me an example sentence using
komplett,
Das Set ist komplett.
right? Third question, what is the past tense of the verb?
komplettere,
Is it?
Kompletterte.
Exactly. Fourth question, what is a similar word to
komplett,
Komplettieren.
yes? Last question, what is the gender of
das komplett,
It's neuter.
perfect? You really nailed it. To wrap things up, remember that
komplett,
means complete and can be used in many contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Thanks, Alex. It's great to learn these words with you.